Hello parents, this is the number caterpillar game. With this sheet, your children can practice identifying numbers 1 to 10 and counting objects that are equal to that in quantity. For example, first show your child this sheet and ask them to identify the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now ask your child to count how many circles are in the body of the caterpillar. 1 has 1 circle. Here we have 1, 2 circles, 1, 2, 3 circles and so on. Once your child has practiced counting, you can ask your child to count objects and place them on the circles. You can take any small objects like buttons or cutouts of circles or even dal that you have at home. I have some buttons that I am going to place here. Now, I will ask my child to count the buttons after checking the number. For example, what number is this? 1. So count 1 button and place it on the sheet. Now, what number is this? 2. So now, do not ask your child to keep buttons in the hand because they are very small. So let them count 2 one by one as 1 and 2. Now let your child place it again on the sheet by counting 1 and 2. Like this, let your child take their time counting objects and again counting while placing them on the sheet. This way, your child will count objects correctly and match them to the number.